Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this tropical beach look, and I got my nails done, so I feel like I'm extra slaying today. So I'm going to go in with the beach. Well, actually I'm going to go in with the 180 palette. I use this a lot, so I'm going in. I'm going to be applying the blue to the crease. Now this is more like of a Tiffany bluish, turquoise bluish color. It's a lot of ish, but I mean it's good shadow, don't get me wrong. It's a beautiful shade and I love it, so I'm just applying it to the crease, blending out very, very well. Then I am going in the LA Girl nudist palette, and I'm going to be taking the black and I'm going to be applying it right up under the blue. Okay guys, so I know I posted a post in my community post about Juvia's Place a few months ago, but I cannot get over how good this concealer is. This concealer is so dope and it's amazing. So I'm going to use the love life out of this concealer. So I'm just going to be taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 18. I'm just going to be cutting the crease very, very well. And I love this Consistency brush. It's so good. It just gets right into the crease. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Done with the concealer, I'm gonna go in the outer V and connect the black where I ended the concealer, and I'm just gonna go in upward motions and go also a little bit deeper into the crease. And I'm gonna make sure when I go deeper into the crease, I'm going back out, and then in the outer V I'm just gonna blend. So I'm just gonna blend outward. Going in with the Super Bronzy PG Copper. I think this is more of a copper shimmery color, and these are from Makeup Revolution. They're good as far as the eyeshadows. When I say good, honey, good, and I love it. Like, their shadows are so amazing, and this color right here is good on the lids, inner corner, and even a little highlight. So I go a little extra sometimes with this eyeshadow. But it's very, very great. And look how nice and pigmented that is. Oh my gosh. Boom. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those two shades. I'm mixing two of them, and they're so good together. I'm just going to apply them and make sure that I'm using packing motions, because I really want the pigmentation to really, really go good. And then I'm going in with the shimmer shade, and I'm going to pack the shimmer shade right into the center to give it some kind of nice sun glow, because we're at the beach. It's tropical hello. And then I'm just going to go back in with the black, kind of retouch up, because I feel like the more I apply the shimmer shades on the lid, I feel like I just have to retouch up and go back into the crease, because sometimes that happens, you know. Sometimes it happens. And I'm going to be applying eyeliner and lashes, and I'm going to go back and complete my face, and then I'll be right back. But the eyeliner, before we go out of this video, I'm applying NYX Skinny Eyeliner, and when I said this eyeliner is amazing, it is amazing. The grip of the point, that it just allows me to do my wing, and it controls the wing at the end, towards the end of at the beginning of the wing. It just controls everything, and it's just amazing. And then I'm gonna apply some lashes, and then I'm gonna come back for the face. Yes.